In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hear Urself on Soundtrap. If you're recording vocals, voiceovers, or a podcast, being able to hear yourself in real time makes a huge difference. It helps you control your volume, stay on pitch, and keep a consistent distance from the mic. Let's walk through how to set this up clearly and quickly. Once you're in your Soundtrap project, start by creating a dedicated place for your voice. Look for the Add New Track button in your studio. This is where you'll choose the type of track you want to work with. Click it and select Voice and Microphones. Soundtrap will create a voice track that's ready to accept input from your microphone. If you already have a voice track, you can use that. The important part is that your mic is routed to a track designed for voice. Now let's turn on the feature that lets you hear yourself. On the voice track you just added, look at the track controls. You'll see a small icon for monitoring, usually a speaker or a pair of headphones. And that's the monitor or input monitoring toggle. Turn it on. The moment you enable it, your microphone signal will be fed back to your headphones or speakers so you can hear your voice as you speak. At this point, you should hear yourself when you talk into the mic. What you're hearing is called real-time monitoring, and it helps you catch things like plosive sounds, room noise, or a mic that's too far away. For the best experience, wear closed-back headphones and keep your monitoring volume at a comfortable level to avoid feedback or echo from your speakers. If you notice a slight delay, that's normal with software monitoring. Keeping your volume moderate and your headphones snug helps it feel more natural. If your voice sounds too quiet or too loud, adjust how close you are to the microphone and speak at a steady level. Aim for clear, consistent speech rather than trying to push your voice. You can also do a quick test phrase to make sure you're comfortable before you hit record. That's all there is to it. Add a voice and microphones track, then turn on monitoring on that track. With those two steps, you'll be able to hear yourself clearly and record with confidence. Take a moment to find a comfortable monitoring level, check your mic position, and you're ready to create. Happy recording!